Hey, fellow content creators. Welcome to Grow Create, go-to place for all things YouTube success. If you've been wondering how to make those eye-catching background videos for your faceless channel, you're in the right spot. I've got a 3-step process that's going to elevate your content game. Creating stunning background videos for your faceless YouTube channel. Step 1, head over to leonardoai.com. Once you're there, choose a font that suits your style. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit lazy.
I've got you covered. Check out the video description for a prompt that's ready to roll.
Now select the size, at least 4 photos, and add a dash of creativity with a negative prompt. Let the magic happen as you create several photos to spice up your videos. Now for step 2, we're diving into banaye. Pay close attention. Upload your favorite photo and let it go through the lip syncing phase. Once that's done, jump into your editing software. Add the original image, throw in those newly created masterpieces as overlays, blend them seamlessly, and don't forget to extract the audio. Save your work and voila, you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, if you want your crush to notice you, subscribing is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, have a fantastic future on YouTube. See you soon.